Hey guys, I'm Cool Cat, and I'll be moving up to the summer camper care coordinator, which means I'll be moving up from 2 C's to 5 C's, if you know what I mean. Knee slapper. I'll be bringing you down to one of our spaces that's called, never mind, the door's locked. I'll be now showing you to one of our cozy spaces called the Cozy Corner. We have some nice curtains to separate this area. Welcome to our Cozy Corner. This is a sensory-friendly space with some beanbags for some comfort. We have some games, some yoga mats, all types of things to help with sensory regulation. Camper Care provides sensory regulation resources all throughout camp. This includes ear defenders if it gets too loud or noisy, or sensory overload. We also include numerous amounts of fidgets of different kinds to help with sensory regulation processing and whatnot. These ones are pretty fun. This is really long, but lots of fun little trinkets in here. And yeah, essentially our role of the Camper Care Coordinator is to make sure all campers feel safe, included, and supported. Cool Cat, clocking out.